Good day. I'm at the range with my Homesteader 9mm, and I thought I would change optics on this one. I had a scope, like a low power variable scope on this rifle, but I thought my Bushnell red dot sight would be a better thing to have. This is the TRS-25 model. Utilizes the same rail. This actually was off one of my Marlin 1895 rifles, and not sure, just by coincidence it fits fine. So I've got it mounted on there, and I have it zeroed at about 25 meters. And as you can imagine, this rifle, you shouldn't expect match grade accuracy with it. Sometimes you hear about guys saying, yeah, these are capable of that. Well, that's total bullshit. I don't expect match grade accuracy. It's just something to plink with at close range. And I think this red dot sight's just the thing. However, in these bright conditions with all the snow here, I can hardly make out the red dot on anything but a very dark target. So I tried there with a white target with fluorescent orange trim. It wasn't that good. I could barely see it, so I switched to the black center target. Up there in the timber, or against that hill, it's okay. This has intensities from 1 to 11. I've got it on 11, and I'm using Remington UMC ammo, 124 grain FMJ. You can find that sometimes on sale. That's when to buy it, of course. So that's how it looks. I rather like it. It's less bulky, lighter, just a thing. However, if it's being used on a light colored target, it isn't going to work very good. So polar bears are out, I think. Right, so let's take 4 shots. I'll try and put one in each quadrant there. Like, I can't really aim on the white or orange part of the target, but I can make out the black quite easily. So let's try it. Set the camera down. That. And let's zoom in here a little bit. Okay, so the usual at the range, make sure you got your adequate hearing protection and safety eyewear. So, 10 round mag. Okay. Action's open. Put on safety. Looks good. Safety first. Let's have a look downrange. Got a big dump of snow up in the high terrain here. Not unusual. It's like winter's trying to hang on. Okay, there. Yeah. It's bright out here. So there's the four holes. One there. One there. One there, one there. So it's sighted in, good enough for close range. So there you have it, Homesteader 9mm with the Bushnell Red Dot TRS-25 sight. Thanks for watching.